Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Cooper, look. Why are you crying? Happy birthday, dear my little Cooper. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. You probably wish to see a loader. What is it? No touch. No touch. Hot.
Cake.
It's a what'd you say?
Cooper cake.
Cooper cake. You're going to have a bigger cake. This is just your little cupcake. Want Mommy to help you blow out the candles?
Okay.
Okay. Ready? Okay. Take that out. Okay. There you go, Cooper. What is that? What's on your cupcake? What does it look like? Is it a baseball? Do you want to eat it? Yeah. You can eat it, Coop. Oh,
Yeah.
Yucky? Okay. I love you, baby. Can you look at the camera?
The baseball.
Yeah, it's a baseball. It's a baseball Cooper cake. A baseball Cooper cupcake. Can you say that? You want to see the candles?
Candles.
I love you. Happy birthday, 2-year-old big boy.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.